Okay, so now we're heading to Waterworks. I'm not sure what time this opens, but I'll definitely be doing it today. At least trying out those two slides and then the twister. Maybe this baby slide, I don't know, the mini racer. So yeah, let's go through a tour of this so you can see what's available here. So number one, there is no lifeguard. Number two, they do ask you to shower before you start. And then this is it. Let's walk through the little area here. So as you can see, they have a splash zone. It's actually really good.